Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For today, we are gonna discussing about Sharia Advisory Council. Before I start presenting about Sharia Advisory Council, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Filoman Belmauzi from classes PPL 5A and also number card matrix 2023-27118. Before I start presenting about Sharia Advisory Council, I would like to thank Madam Kausar for giving us opportunity to make a present and about Sharia Advisory Council. So, the first question in my mind, what is Sharia Advisory Council? Sharia Advisory Council is a Malaysian key responsible and ensuring the financial Islamic system with upright and strict compliance with Sharia. So, where it was founded in 1997 and the Central Bank Act 2009. It was under BNM. So, why SSC? SSC is ensure all the financial products and service to avoid any prohibited, example, gharar, maisir, or riba, interest, and modern finances. So I would like to continue the slide. The establishment of Sharia Advisory Council. First of all, I would like to forgive myself because I talk too much about the detail. But in this slide, I will give more detail and more specific way to talk about the Sharia Advisory Council of establishment. So the first one is the Sharia Advisory Council is an institution established to provide expert guidance and also the rulings on the matters related to Islamic finance and ensuring compliance with Sharia principles. Its primary purpose is to oversee and advise financial institutions to ensure their product and operation adhere to which means Islamic law. The SSC is often established under country central banks or regulatory authority, such as of the SSC, they are under Bank Negara Malaysia (BNM), which was formed under Central Bank Act of Malaysia 2009. It is play the role of Sharia Advisory Council. It is play critical role like reviewing and endorsing financial product for Sharia compliance. It was providing advice on Sharia related issue and resolve dispute regarding the Sharia education in finance. So for example, in CIMB Islamic, it was giving an idea in 1974, but it was launched in 2003 by Tan Sri Datuk Sri Dr. Zeti Akhtar Aziz by a governor of Bank Negara Malaysia in 2nd June 2003. Which that gap, they need to appeal Sharia Advisory Council first to oversee and advise a financial institution to ensure their product and operation adhere to Islamic law and Sharia principle. So the SSC, which I will say, SSC is a critical role. It was reviewing and endorsing financial product and also giving an advice related to Sharia issue. So I continue. The council typically consists of expert Sharia law, like law, economics, and finance. They are appointed based on qualification and expertise. The SSC operates as the highest quantity authority on Islamic finance and it is jurisdiction, ensuring the industrial integrity alignment with Islamic principles. On the global scale, similar bodies like Accounting and Auditing Organization for Islamic Financial Institution (AAOIFI) and the International Sharia Research Academy for Islamic Finance (ISROC) provide guidance and promote standardization, and the SSC establishment reflect the growing importance of Islamic finance and its need dedicated governance to harmonize modern financial practice with Sharia law. So that's all for me to giving a speech about the establishment of Sharia Advisory Council. I hope you all can understand it. And without further ado, I would like to pass to Auni Noizati to continue the speech about the Board of Committee in SSC, Sharia Advisory Council.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shariah binti Muhammad. I'm from DPM 4A. And now I would like to present my party, which is the members of Sharia Advisory Council. The Sharia Advisory Council comprises 9 members with expertise and experience in Sharia, Islamic economy, law and finance. The reappointed members are Professor Dr. Ashraf Mat Hashim. He is Professor, International Center Education Islamic Finance University and the new Chairman of Sharia Advisory Council. For the second, Professor Dr. Engku Rabiah Adawiyah Engku Ali. She is Professor, Institute of Islamic Banking and Finance in International Islamic University Malaysia and the new Deputy Chairman of the Advisory Council. Third is Datuk Professor Dr. Muhammad Akram Ladin. He is Executive Director, Israel Research Management Center, International Center Education Islamic Finance University. Encik Burhanuddin Luqman is Member Haji Advisory Committee from Lembaga Tabung Haji. And the newly appointed members is Dr. Ahmad Basri Ibrahim. He is Head Syariah Management Pemodelan Nasional Berhad. The other existing members are Sahibus Samaha Datuk Setia Dr. Haji Anwar Haji Abu. He is Mufti of Selangor. And second is Dr. Marian Muhammad. Dr. Marjan. The second is Dr. Marjan Muhammad. She is Director Research Quality Assurance and Qualification Israel Research Management Center in International Center Education Islamic Finance Curriculum. The role of the Sharia Advisory Council of Bank Negara Malaysia is critical in ensuring that the country's Islamic financial system operates according to Sharia principles. Here are some of the key responsibilities. The first one is providing Sharia advisory. Sharia Advisory Council members advise on the compliance of financial product, service and operation offered by Islamic financial institutions to ensure they adhere to Sharia principle. And second is supervision and evaluation. They are involved in reviewing and evaluating new financial products, ensuring they do not involve prohibited elements such as riba, gharar, or maisir, and confirming that this product comply with Sharia requirements. The third is dispute resolution on Sharia matters. Sharia Advisory Council plays a role in resolving dispute related to Sharia principle in financial transactions. If there are uncertainties or conflicts in Sharia matters, Sharia Advisory Council provides clear rulings or decisions.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Auni Nur Izzati binti Muhammad Kubri from DPM 5A. Okay, for this presentation, I would like to explain about my part, which is the duties of Sharia Advisory Council. Okay, first of all, the SAC, which is the Sharia Advisory Council, assumes a pivotal role in ensuring consistent application of Sharia ruling by the Islamic financial institutions in Malaysia. The SAC has been given the authority for the ascertainment of Islamic law for the purposes of Islamic banking business, takaful business, and Islamic financial business. Okay, for the duties of SAC is promoting Shariah certainty and sustaining public confidence in the Islamic finance industry. Next is CBA 2009 provides that Shariah matters brought to the court or raised in any arbitration proceeding must be referred to the SAC for clarity and certainty. The third one is the SAC provides the Shariah basis for the development of a comprehensive Shariah contract based on regulatory framework for Islamic financial institutions in Malaysia. Other than that, SAC also assists related parties on Shariah matters for advice upon request. Shariah Advisory Council also advise board on Shariah matters in its business operation. And the last one is the SAC endorse and validate relevant documentation. Thanks.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madam, my name is Nurul Ilyana binti Mamaruzi and I am class D Balimoti. Today I will be discuss the 4 principles of Sharia governance practiced by the Sharia Advisor Council (SAC) in Malaysia, focusing on the crucial aspect of finance and trust. These principles are vital for maintenance and the ethic and operation of the Islamic financial system. The SSC of the higher Sharia authority in the country play a critical role in ensure ethical and Islamic financial practices. Their work is guided by the 4 principles. I will focus on 2, finance and trust. These are not simply abstract concepts, they are integral to the functionality and credibility of the Islamic financial system. The concept of finance is central to ensure ethic and just Islamic financial practice. It's not merely about equal treatment, it's about ensure that the SSC uphold the principle of finance and equality in ruling or guidance. This finance is reflected in 3 key aspects of the SSC statutory duties. First, ruling based on sound Sharia principle. All decisions made by the SSC are rooted in well-established Sharia principle. This ensures consistency and prevents arbitrary or biased interpretations of Islamic law. This consistency is crucial for building trust and predictability within the system. Number 2, doing process of finance to all parties. The SSC adheres to a rigorous doing process ensure that all parties involved in a case have a fair opportunity to present their agreement and evidence. This commitment to procedural fairness is essential for ensuring equitability outcome. Number 3, consistency and alignment with Sharia. The SSC maintains consistency in its ruling over time, avoid contradictory interpretation, and fostering a stable and predictable regulatory environment. This consistency is key to building a trust and confidence in the system finance. Trust is fundamental pillar of the Islamic financial system. It's not simply about belief in the SSC expertise. It's about a deep-seated confidence in their integrity, impartiality, and commitment to upholding the principle of Islamic law. This trust is building upon first protecting the interests of all stakeholders. The SSC decision and action prioritize the interests of all stakeholders involved in the Islamic financial system, fostering a sense of finance and equality. Number 2, maintaining the integrity of the Islamic financial system. The SSC commitment to upholding Sharia principle and maintaining ethical standards is vital for upholding the integrity and reputation of its entire Islamic financial system. Number 3, adaptability to evolving financial landscapes. The SSC recognizes that the financial landscape is a constantly evolving. Its activity adapt its ruling and procedures to address new challenges and maintain the relevance of Sharia principle in modern financial context. This demonstrates a commitment to continue improve and responsiveness.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Syafiqah Amani from DPM 5A. My metric number is DPM 2023 27079. Okay, today I would like to share about transparency and accountability. Okay, for transparency is the quality of being open and honest. Okay, the state of being easily understood or seen thought. It implies a lack of hidden agenda or secrecy. So I would like explain about public accessible decision in Shariah Advisor Council. Okay, the Shariah Advisor Council should make its decision and the reasoning behind them readily available to the public. Possibly through a publicly accessible online database or register. This allows of security and accountability. Okay, so for the clear communication of Sharia rulings, explanation about Sharia rulings relate to financing product and service should be clear, concise, and easily understandable for both industry and the general public. Complex legal terminology should be avoided or explained thoroughly. Okay, the last one in transparency is the Sharia Advisor Council should have a transparent process for receiving and considering feedback from stakeholders like Islamic finance industry. Next, I would like to share about accountability. Accountability is the fact or condition of being accountable. Responsibility, it means being answerable for one action and the consequences of those action. Okay, the three example in accountability at Sharia Advisor Council is auditable decision making process, clearly defined responsibility, mission for addressing complaints. Okay, the first one, for example, auditable process in Sharia Advisor Council. Okay, making process should be clearly documented and auditable. This is allow for verification that decisions were made according to established procedure and relevant Sharia principle. The second is clear lines of responsibility in Sharia Advisor Council. Okay, responsibility is for specific tasks and decision within the Sharia Advisor Council should be clearly defined and assigned to individual or clarified. This is clarified who is answerable for what and facilitates effective overseeing. The last one in accountability in Sharia Advisor Council is merchants for redress. Theirs should be clear and assessed by merchants for addressing complaints or challenge to Shariah Advisor Council decision. This is could involve an entertain appeals process or an external review body to ensure fairness and accountability for any repressive error or injustice. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.